Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen monthly, I still think there's two options. Option number one is still that this could be a three-wave correction to the last 5 waves up, looking something like this before it continues the uptrend. Option number two, I think, is still that this could be the end of a wave 5, and if that is, it's going to stretch out and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is literally the exact same pattern until you get to about this point right here. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, nice big impulsive down. Looks like a wave A, looks like a wave B. I still think there's a pretty good chance this is going to continue the downtrend for a likely wave C. I think we may even be in like a wave 2 right now of a wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this last structure for me is way up here. Now the trend is down, but the market flow is definitely up, which means it's definitely valid to start looking for longs on sort of time frames for sure. Now, I personally think this move up right here is very likely going to be a correction to this move down. I think we're going to end up bouncing from one of these fib levels and probably end up continuing the downtrend, maybe even a 1-2 and a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I think it's a valid strategy to be looking for longs on the sort of time frames. But while you're looking for longs, I think that you need to be very, very clear that this move up is probably a correction, which means at some point it's probably going to bounce from a fib level and end up continuing down. Now, what I would be looking for is like that double top break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level to go short, which definitely has not happened yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for longs, like I said yesterday. The places I would be looking to go long is the end of three-way pullbacks, like right there. That right there is a three-way pullback. Even this right here is a three-way pullback back here. That's 3 waves down, 3 waves down. So basically, what I'm saying is, I definitely wouldn't try to go long now, and I don't think I would try to go short either. We have CPI inflation data coming out today, so it's definitely going to affect the dollar again for sure. I personally would want to be long right now, waiting for an exit, or I would want to be waiting patiently for another three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.